Hello, greetings of the day. Welcome to C++ programming language programs. In this video, we are going to see swapping of numbers. Now here, swapping means nothing but exchanging. For example, we are having a variable a, and in this variable a, we are storing a value 10. And we are having another variable b, here we are storing a value 20. So, we just have to swap these numbers. What does it mean? It means that a will contain the value 20, that is the value of b, and b will contain the value 10, which is the value of a. So this is nothing but the swapping of numbers, or we can say exchanging the numbers. Now we can do this using third variable or within a two variables also. So in this program we are going to see write a C++ program to swap two numbers using third variable. So here we are going to use the three variables for performing this task. Okay, now let's have a look. Here swapping means exchanging. Okay, now as per the input given, first enter a value. So here value of a. So we need to take one variable, that is a, where we are going to store the value 20. Then enter the value of b. So here we have to use one variable b where we have to store the value, that is 38. Now in the output we have to perform this swapping. That before swapping, value stored in a is 20 and value stored in b is 38, but after swapping the value stored in a is 38 and value stored in b is 20. Okay, so hope this is clear what is swapping. So for performing this swapping, we are going to use the third variable, that is the temporary variable, for storing some data. And how this logic is going to be work, we'll see here. Okay, so as usual, our C++ program is going to be start from hash include IOStream. Here we have included our input output stream. So in this input output stream means here it contains the definition of Cin and Cout. Then using namespace std. So for we are going to declare, or here std means standard library file. Then every program starts execution from the main function. So here is our main function and this is the body of our main function. So first of all, every time we have to declare the variables after starting the program. Okay, so a variable for storing the data of a, b variable for storing the data of b, temp variable for performing this swapping operation using the third variable. Now you can take any of the variable name. You can take x, you can take y, you can take any of the alphabet in uppercase, lowercase, or combination of anything, that is any word or anything. Okay, now here all the variables are declared as an integer data type, so it is going to be hold some memory. It is going to be occupy some memory space in the memory location. So here for a 2 bytes, for b 2 bytes, and for temp 2 byte memory is getting allocated over here. Now here we are getting Cout. So what is the meaning of Cout? Whatever the data is written inside this double quotes is getting printed as it is in the output. Okay, so here in this green form is we are getting printed on the output screen. So here we are going to print enter the value of a. Now Cout, if here we are getting a signal, that is enter the value of a, so user is going to enter the value of a, so which is taken by the cin and going to be stored in the variable a memory location. So as per our example, here a value is 20. Okay, so here we are giving the value is 20. Then backslash n means we have to move to the next line. Okay, so in the next line again what we have to print, enter the value of b. Okay, so this we have to print. So enter the value of B is getting printed. Then after that user will user will give the input of B. So here, as mentioned, value of B is 38. So user has given the value, that is 38. Okay, then after that here should be \n. Okay, then after that, before swapping, now here in the memory location, what is the value of A? It's 20. Then what is the value of B? It's 38 given by the user. Okay, then before swapping, A equal to A. Okay, now see, whatever the terms are written in the double quotes, we just have to print it as it is. So we are going to print it. And \n is used for moving to the next line. Okay, now here it is mentioned that is A. Okay, so what does it means? Whatever the value is present in the memory location A, we just have to print it on the output screen. Okay, so here this 20 is getting printed. Yeah, then after that this comma and B. Okay, so this comma and B is in the double quotes, means whatever the terms are in the double quotes, we just have to print it as it is. So after printing 20 continuously, we have to print this. Okay, so for B, now we have to, here now you can see there is no any double quotes. It means that whatever the value is present in the B, we just have to print on the output screen. So what is the value present in the memory location B? It's 38. So we have to print 38 in the output. Okay, after that endl means end the line. It is going to be work same as the \n. So here cursor will move to the next line. After that, now this is our logic. This is our main logic. Okay, now whatever the value is present in A, we just have to assign it to the temp. So now A contains 20, we are going to store the 20 in the temp. Okay, so here temp contains the value 20. Then whatever the value is present in A, we just have to copy it in memory location A. So memory location B contains the value 38, that we have to copy in the memory location A. So 38 is getting printed or here, stored over here. Okay, then after that in the third line, B equal to temp, means whatever the value is present in the temp, we just have to copy it in the memory location B, that is 20. Now it is updated as 20. Okay, now that's it. Here we are not using any of the loops and all, that's why here simple the changes are done in the memory locations. Now see out, whatever the terms are written in the double quotes, we just have to print it as it is. So that's why I'm going to copy it, and already we are in the next line because here end the line and we are in the next line. Okay, so swapping, after swapping A equal to, now what is the value of A? Now you can see what is the value present in the memory location A. It's 38, right? It's 38. So 38 is getting printed over here. Okay, then after that, what next we are getting again comma B and equal to in the double quotes. So this is getting printed in our output screen, and after that here we have to print the value present in a memory location B. So what is the value present in memory location B? It's 20, right? So the 20 is getting printed over here. Yes, 20 is getting printed over here. Then again endl, and then means come to the next line. So here the cursor is blinking in the next line. After that you can see here return 0. So as we have used integer main, the function is going to be written the integer type of value. That's why here we have written return 0. Okay, and after that curly brackets close, it means that our main program is going to be closed over here. Okay, in this way we are going to perform this task of swapping of numbers using the third variable. Now in the output you can see previously it was like 20 and 38. Now here we are getting value that is 38 and 20 for the B. So hence the successfully swapping of two numbers is completed over here. In the next video we'll see that how to perform the swapping of two numbers without using this temporary variable. Hope this is clear for everyone. Thanks for watching.